Hello and welcome to Tammy's Dolls, and this morning I have a package here of some dolls that I'm not sure if I'm going to keep or am I going to put for resale, because I'm not quite sure. I know I mean I know what I bought, but I just don't know what they're all about. So let's just go and dig them out and let's see, and I'll make decisions probably later. So this is the first one. She's a pretty big girl here, and oh my goodness. Oh wow. Wow. Yeah, I knew she was missing an arm. They said she was. But I think I got an arm I can give her. But anyhow, let's just take a look at her. Oh my goodness, look at her. Isn't she beautiful? A little black baby here and her mohair wig. Oh my word. That's a lot of hair for a little doll. It's supposed to be a little girl, I guess, but what in the world is on her? Someone was having, and she's got like little marching boots on her, like, well, she's just a mixture of everything here. Let's just see. Let's see if we can get this off of her. Get this off first there. And then we're going to go for the next step. Any marks on her? I gotta go get my glasses. Just 1 second here. Thought I had them on me, but I didn't. Okay, let's see if there's anything on the back of her neck. Oh, she's quite a cute little thing. Look at that face on her. Wow, she's a cute little thing. Let's see if there's any markings on her. Oh, I don't see nothing on the back of her neck. She is composition. There we go. And nothing on her back either. Nothing. Like I don't see a thing. Let's go down one more button here. No, there's nothing on her back at all. But boy, she's dressed. She's got dresses on her here, it seems like. She's got slips and everything. Like, it's just phenomenal. Let's get some of this paper off the table here. Let's just lay her down. Can she bend? Oh, she's a... Wow, she's just not, oh, she's plastic. I'm telling you she's composition, but she's not composition. She's plastic. She's a walker or something. Wow, let's just get this frumpy little dress off of her. Okay. Wow, I thought it was composition. I got a composition arm for her, but I don't, she's got marching. Ooh, these are like kind of, I don't want to ruin them, but they're okay. Let's just not do that. Oh, one more button here. Let's get that button out. Okay. Well, I've never seen a dress so, a doll so dressed. Like, this dress just goes on and on and on. Oh my goodness, I got it off. It looks like an Alice in Wonderland dress. There's her dress. Wow. Okay. Now let's see what else we got on. We got a slip on. Let's get this slip off. Okay, and a slip. And now we're down to who and what she is here. Can we get... Yes. Oh, and her head turns. Her head turned a bit with... No, that's just because it turned. Okay. And then she's got this, oh, pair of undies on. Okay. A little pair of girls' underwear from way back when. Look at those. And then we got this on. Wow, I've never seen her before. Someone knows who she is. You can let me know. I don't know if she's a walker. It's just her legs click like a walker. Something, she's different. Okay, now we can see who she is. This is who she is. She's a great big girl. Oh yeah, like her, look at this. Yeah, so she's a walker. This girl wants to walk. Okay. Wow. But no marks on the back of her at all. Can't even begin to tell you who she was or who she is. Okay, well that's the first one, everybody. She is really something. She's a big girl. I didn't think she was that big. I thought she was a lot smaller. Okay, let's dig out the next one here. Let's see what else we got down in here. There's about 4 or 5 in here. Okay, here's the next one. Okay. Oh my goodness. Now this is either a Madame Alexander or a Horseman baby. Let's get this bonnet off. Can we get it off? Oh, it's in a knot of its own. Is there any marks on the back of this doll? I don't see anything on this one either. Oh, she's cuter than a button though, but boy, this needs to come off. Well, another thing, but look at the dress on her again. Oh my goodness, these dolls are dressed. I mean, they got clothes on them. Oh wow, they, someone loved them and wanted to keep them clothed. But another nice old dress with a nice old, like a slip with old dress on top. Wow, there's the other one. And another, like, bigger than what I thought type of doll. But no markings again. An unmarked doll. Okay, let's go for the next one. I think there's 4 in here. I think that's what it is. I think that's what it is. 4. Oh, this is the one that interested me. This is the one that interested me. Big time. Yes, this one here. Oh, look at her. Now, does anybody know who she is? She is composition. Any markings? Let's see. Again, not marked. But wow, is she ever dressed? Cuter than a button though. Nice little girl doll. There's the other one. And look at the shoes on her. Those are rubber. Like, those don't belong to her. These don't. Doll shoe 22 to 24 inches, but those are rubber. These are like vinyl shoes. So those don't even belong to her. Those go to a baby. Those are like little baby shoes. Okay. Can we get those off? Oh, there we go. Got it off. Those go to a... What in the world? Oh, these dolls have been put away for a long time. The socks are literally glued to her feet. There we go. Oh, her toes came off in the... Oh, they're inside. Her toes came off. And they're right here. That could have been cracked already. There we go. There's her toes. Yep. Let me see how this one is. Okay, this one feels solid. There we go. Okay, there we go. Wow. I took her toes off. Well, I don't think I did. I think they were already cracked. And they were just laying inside the socks. Those socks are what we call garbaggio. My fancy term for garbage. There we go. Oops, sorry, Stephen. He's trying to... But she's cute. I don't know who she is. But it looks like this dress does belong to her. But again, yikes. Okay. Okay, one more I think there is down in here. Or, no, there's... Oh, no, there's... Okay, let's just go for it. Oh, yeah. This one here is in another... Okay, let's just take a look at her. Now, this one's also a dark skin doll. Beautiful doll. Oh, my goodness, she's just got tons of stuff. Now, I got her leg. Don't dismay. I do have her leg. I think her arm, too. But someone put some jewelry on her, and she is just... Oh, my word. Oh, someone really liked to dress their dolls. And I love that, you know. Okay, I don't know if that goes to her. But another big one here. No name. In a frumpy dress again. A nice great big... Oh, my... Oh, wow. There's her problem. Wow. Now let me see, I do have some pieces in this box. There's a leg. Yeah, I do have her leg at least. But she's missing an arm as well. But I have an arm, a composition arm for that, this doll. But again, we have issues here. These are dolls with issues. Well, everybody, there's my 4 dolls that I got in. Beautiful. I think they're all gorgeous. You got to see past the clothes and everything and what they're going to turn out to look like in the end. But I'm really loving this walker here. This is really neat, this one here. I've got to see about getting her an arm. But she'll be cute when she's done. I don't know if I'm going to keep them or resell them. I don't know yet. This is just one of those things where I'm just in a different spot with them all. Because they all need to have something special they're in need of work on. But anyhow, as that may be, I hope you enjoyed this, excuse me, this box opening. And, you know, they're all different in their own way. But, wow, lots of work on these ones here. But anyways, have a great day. 2 more days of work and I got the weekend off. It's rough at work right now, very rough, but anyways, we're making it through it anyhow. But and now where's little Penelope down there? Right down there. Look at her. See that she's in her favorite spot, right down there. There's Mabel. She's going to the vet because she's got an upper respiratory problem going on. Tomorrow she goes. We have to be there for 11:30 tomorrow. So everybody have a great day, and we'll be coming back with more dolls. I think this is the end of them. I'm more than sure this is the last of my dolls. So everybody have a great day, and we'll be getting back to you again.
Thank you for joining us.
Bye-bye.